I wanted to show you spring tool retractors and spring tool balancers, also known as zero gravity tool balancers. This particular one is a Tecna model 9313. It's a industrial grade retractor, high quality, designed to work every day, all day. Lasts a very long time, and it's very durable. Tool retractors come with a weight capacity. So this one here is 4.4 to 6.6 pounds, and you can use it on any tool that weighs within that range, and you can adjust it to match the weight of that tool exactly. This retractor comes with around 5-foot cable. The cable or the cable travel or stroke on retractors can be anywhere from a few feet to all the way to 10 feet, kind of as a standard. We do have some that go all the way up to almost 15 feet. A couple things important to remember about the retractors is that as you pull the cable out of the retractor, the force, the pulling force increases, and that's important because that's one of the differences between retractors and zero gravity balancers. The other important thing is to remember that retractors or zero gravity balancers are not made to move loads. They're made to be attached to a tool. So if you're looking for an application where you need to attach a load, move it, and detach it, a spring tool retractor or spring tool balancer is not a solution for you. Retractors generally go all the way up to around 30 pounds. Again, there are some exceptions to it. There are some custom models that can handle heavier tools, but generally they're top at 31, 32 pounds. So if your tool is heavier than that, you're going to end up going with a zero gravity balancer. These are made in many different versions. So Tecna makes them, so this one here has a stainless steel cable. They're made with polypropylene rope. Also Dyneema rope. There are some versions with that. There are ATEX certified for explosive environments, ESD certified, rust proof with food grade grease for food manufacturing environments. Here, just to demonstrate how it works, I have a tool. The tool weighs around 6.5 pounds. This is a 4 to 6.6 pound retractor. You can adjust and increase the pull to match the weight of the tool. You can see it kind of stopped about a foot and a half away from the retractor. You can increase it. You can do it with this knob here. You gotta pull it away from the retractor and turn counterclockwise. That will increase the tension on the spring, pulling the tool up. So the way the retractors work is that they will pull the tool to a predefined position. So if you balance it in this place and pull it down and use it for something, the retractor will pull it up to that preset position. Again, this is important because with zero gravity balancers that doesn't happen. Zero gravity balancer balances the tool in throughout the entire cable travel. Retractors they have many different applications, usually used in manufacturing, assembly lines. They keep the tool out of the way. This is obviously for demonstration. I have it suspended quite low. Normally you would have it higher up, kind of above your head, where the tool is kept away, and you can just grab it, use it whatever you need to do, and then let it go, and it pulls the tool away, stores it there. So here is an example of a larger retractor. This one is up to 14 kilograms, which is just over 30 pounds. As standard, comes with a 8-foot stainless steel cable, but you can get this one with a cable that's almost 15 feet long. This one's larger spring inside. You can use it for larger tools. So now this tool, you can also suspend this tool on a zero gravity balancer. So this one here, this is a Endo EWS3, a zero gravity balancer. Capacity on this one is 1.5 kilograms to 3 kilograms, which is about 6.6 pounds, so somewhat similar to this. Usually zero gravity balancers are made for larger tools. Some companies don't even make them this small. Tecna doesn't make them for such light tools. This is an Endo model. So the main difference is that the cable is wrapped on a drum that is tapered, and that counterbalances the increased force of the spring, and this is how the balancing effect is achieved. So if you suspend this tool on it, and I've already preset it to match the weight, but basically if you move this down, it will stay wherever you leave it. So you can pull it even further, and you'll notice that this does not move; it just stays where it is. You can pull it up, and again, it will stay wherever it is. So, and this is important, particularly with large, especially with large tools. Zero gravity balancers. Again, they're all spring powered. These can go up to 400-500 pounds. So here is an example of a large Tecna zero gravity balancer. I'm not going to even lift it. It weighs almost 100 pounds. This particular model is made for a 300-pound tool, but like I said, they go even higher than that, so they get pretty big. Again, the idea behind it is the same. There's a tapered drum inside. The cable travel on zero gravity balancers is usually shorter, or it cannot be as long as retractors, because the way the cable is wrapped around the drum is that each wrap around it has its own groove. So the rope sits in its own groove. So there's only so much space to accommodate a long cable travel. So this one here is 1.3 meters, which is around 4 feet. A large zero gravity balancer can go up to 3 meters, which is around 10 feet, but that's as long as they get. Now you can suspend it on a rail track, on a tool trolley, so you can walk around the workstation with the heavy tool. That makes it more ergonomic, easier on the operator.